Okay, that's not supposed to.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
How to break your military truck windshield 101.
This motherfucker got stuck. Hey, motherfucker. Oh my god, hey.
Get the fuck out! God damn it, Emerson!
Oh.